Hey, Rob Marino here with Sentry Equipment, and this 3-minute tip is going to focus on fun promos. So as you can see here, we have our 4th of July promotion. So let's get started. So 4th of July, why is this fun? Well, it's red, white, and blue, or red, white, and blue, depending on, you're upside down or standing straight side up. So fun promos, why do them to your store? Okay, well, they drive sales. Obviously, something like this, it's July 4th, it's exciting, it's patriotic, it's colorful. It's there to attract attention and new customers. And the goal of these promos is to grab somebody's attention who might not normally be your customer, but they see these promos. Next thing you know, now they're your customer in August, in September, in October, in 2026, in 2027, in 2048. So always create these promos to drive sales. Do theme days. 2 Scoop Tuesday, Thirsty Thursdays where you get a couple bucks off a milkshake, Waffle Cone Wednesdays where waffle cones are free. Give people a reason to stop by, not just seasonally, but weekly, daily, monthly. Eye-catching promotions just like this on social media, they create curiosity, they create foot traffic. You want Instagram-friendly items. If I'm at the store and it's 4th of July and I'm eating with my kids, before I dig into this, guess what? I'm taking a picture and I'm posting on Instagram. And if you have trouble growing your social media presence because you don't know anything about social media, the best thing you could do is create products and promos where the customers will grow your social media for you. Time-limited deals, LTOs, limited time offers. These create urgency. You don't want to have these promos all the time because they get stale and they get boring. Give them, take them away. Bundle promos like a family pack special. Add a topping for 50 cents today to increase some ticket totals. Seasonal combos upsell naturally. So look at that. Like if you ever go to a fast food place and you see, hey, the bundles where you get 30 nuggets and 2 cheeseburgers and 4 sodas. Believe it or not, those things work. And nobody eats that alone unless they have issues. You can create some of these big bundles within your stores. Take home family Sunday packs that make it fun, make it interesting, kind of separate you from your competition a little bit. So these Instagram friendly items encourage customers to share on social media, as I talked about, and they also generate word of mouth. Hey, did you know that local store has this 4th of July promotion? It was awesome. I went there. So not only will it go into the old Instagram friendly stuff, it's that time old word of mouth advertising, which is best. And stuff like this, honestly, it just helps create some brand vibe, personality for your store. Fun promos shape your shop's vibe. It's playful, it's fun, it's creative. It adds some excitement to your store. I always say you don't want to just be an ice cream store in a neighborhood. You want to be the neighborhood's ice cream store. And having a personality helps you become that. Take advantage of holidays and events if you're having trouble creating the fun promos out there. National Ice Cream Day, local festivities, tie into your local community and scene. Kind of take what they're already doing and build a product around it rather than having to come up with everything. Because I know when you're running your own business, you're the CEO of every department. Sometimes being the CEO of marketing is a little draining. So use your kids, use your community, use your staff, use your friends to create fun promos that'll help attract attention and drive new customers and sales. Well, time's up. See you next time.